Hi everybody, my name's Alannah Jade. I am a National Goldwell Ambassador here in Australia and I'm from Brisbane, Alannah Jade. I'm here with my beautiful model Daniela. We are very excited to be a part of the new SunDipped colour collection in collaboration with 5 brand new Topchic Zero shades. So let's get started. So we're just getting started on the glow face framing technique through the front. What we're doing is we're working diagonal back sections. We're going to work 3 foils in. We're backcombing each section just so that we can really keep the lighter pieces soft and seamless. So we're just finishing up with Daniela's glow face framing, and then we've done the global transformation colour with the copper underneath, and we're going to work through the triangle section now. So a really good hot tip is to merge the regrowth colour in to the foil as well over the backcombing so that you get a really nice transition of dark into light in those foils. Okay, so we've just finished up with Daniela's Caramel Glow transformation, which forms part of the new SunDipped colour collection. So we hope that you love the finished result, and for more results like this, head to the Goldwell Global YouTube channel. Thanks!